Okay, so when I do my full face, I always start with my eyebrows. And the way that I do my eyebrows, I go under, I start at the front of my eyebrows and I go to the back. And in the front of my eyebrows, I do a darker line under it so I can do like a brush them up and have an ombre look. And they're darker in the back. And I like with my eyebrows, they don't have to be identical. So like they can just look similar. I don't care about them looking identical. And then like I like them thick, so I like to do them like not like right on my eyebrow line, so like I like to have a little room. But later on you'll see how they both were two different eyebrows, and like I fixed them basically. Okay, after I have got the perfect eyebrows that I want, I'm going in and I'm concealing under my eyebrows, and then I'm going to do the same to the other side, and then I conceal the top. So I conceal the bottom first, and then I conceal the top. So after concealing my eyebrows and getting that perfect look, I am going in and I am blending the concealer in with my skin to get more of a natural look with my eyebrows basically. After blending in my concealer, I'm going in with my MORPHE 39S, and I'm just using a burgundy color to do my eyelids. And I'm going darker at the end of my eyelids and lighter on the inside because I don't want it like dark all over. I want it like kind of like an ombre style. So after I'm done with my eyelids, I am putting moisturizer on my face so that my face is not too dried out when I put the foundation on and all the other stuff. Okay, so now I'm going in my foundation. I'm putting it all over my face. And I realized that I was using the wrong brush, like in the middle of me putting my foundation on. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm using the wrong brush. So I just changed it out, but my bad. So after I have applied my foundation, I am contouring my face. I am contouring under my cheekbones. I am contouring my jawline, my forehead, my nose. And that's pretty much it. And then I am going to go into concealer. And I'm concealing under my eyelids. I conceal my chin, I conceal my nose, and I conceal my forehead. And that's what you're going to see in the next few seconds. So I am blending it all in, just blend it all in. Okay, so after blending, I am going in and I'm putting my loose powder on my face to set my foundation and my concealer and all of that under it. I am now going to apply my lashes while my powder is setting my face, and then I'm going to do my lips to finish up. With my lips, I just outlined it with this dark brown shade, and then I went in with this pink matte lipstick to the inside with my lips, and then I just applied lip gloss to finish the look. If you really like this look and enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment. More video to come. Just wait and stay tuned.